Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. So, let's see your person's emotion this coming week pagdating sa'yo. Okay, so yes, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. And yeah, kung mayroon din tanong pagdating dito sa ating mga items, so meron tayong protection from evil eye, ring, necklace, and bracelets. Okay, so meron tayo nyan. And pagdating sa mga connection, sa mga connection, whether kung ikaw ay single, looking for love, kung ikaw ay nasa isang komplikadong connection, so yes, pwede sa ito. And syempre, kung para sabihin natin parang ikaw ay nasa sa maganda ng relasyon, maganda ng connection, parang ganyan. Yeah, pwede pa rin sa'yo yan. So, ito yung parang magpapatibay pa rin. So, magpo-provide rin siya ng something, sabihin natin parang kulang, no? Para mas maging okay. And, syempre, mag-aalis rin ng mga dapat alisin sa connection. So, ito yan, ha? Oo, itong si ating love bracelet. Kung mapapansin nyo, meron tong citrine. Okay? Citrine, gemstones. Oo. So, yung citrine is for money rin. Okay? So, lalahatin na natin yun, no? And, syempre, yeah, this is like attracting itong ating bracelet na to sa love. And, yung ating granter necklace. So, si granter is made to order. Okay? And, yeah. So, siya yung taga-grant ng mga minamanifest mo. And taga-pagbigay ng surprises. Yes. Hobby niya yun. Oo. Okay. Mahilig siya magbigay ng surprises. And, yung ating last is yung cord cut. Pang cord cut. So, pagkakat, pag-aalis natin ng mga unnecessary energies na still naka-hold sa'yo, still naka-attached sa'yo. Okay? So, yeah. So, let's see the person's emotion, pagdating sa'yo. So, air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. So, who is this person? What's their emotion? Let's see and let's check for air signs. So, who is this? The Page of Cups universe. Some of you, okay, maya ako magsasalita. Ten of Wands. Hindi mo maintindihan ang emosyon ng taong ite. Some of you, may nagkaka-crush sa'yo. May nagkaka-crush sa'yo. And sabihin natin, gusto na niyang magsabi ng kung anumang emosyon meron siya pagdating sa'yo. Could be water sign or fire sign. Yeah. Pwedeng water sign with fire. Okay? So, yes. Napakahalaga na malaman ninyo ang 3 major. Zodiac sign ng bawat tao ninyo. Okay? So, that's the sun, moon, and rising. Yeah. Baka mamaya pinapanood nyo, sun lang. Hindi nyo alam, mas nakaka-resonate yung moon and rising. Yeah. Okay, anyway. So, let's see. Anong meron? Ano bang sitwasyon nyo? The King of Wands. I think this person likes you. Yeah, the Two of Wands. Pero they're acting distant. They're acting cold. Like, hindi pa halata na gusto ka. Yeah, they have a crush on you. Yeah, the Five of Pentacles. Some of them, sabihin natin nandun yung word na namimiss ka every time na hindi ka nakikita. I don't know, may chance kasi na pwedeng hindi pa rin ito nakakapag-express ng emosyon sa'yo. Okay? Some of you, feeling niya, wala kang interest pagdating sa kanya. Okay? Iba sa kanila, good looking. Yeah, good looking. Whether babae, lalaki, kung naman ang gender niya, they're good looking. Air signs. Sabihin natin itong taong ito is hindi siya sanay na siya yung nag-express. Kasi may chance na itong taong to, siya yung parang sinasabihan madalas. Na gusto siya, ganto, ganyan. Okay, so, yeah. Let's see anong emosyon niya this coming week for you. Anong emosyon niya for you? So, they're acting distant. Like, pa-cool. Parang wala lang. Parang ganyan. Anong mapapansin mo sa emosyon or mapapansin mo sa kanya this week? The Nine of Pentacles in reverse. The Tower. Wala. Ganun pa rin. As is. Parang ganyan. Like, wala siyang pakialam. Kunyari, ayaw niya. Ikaw. Pero nandito yung, yeah, gusto ko ng taong to. The Page of Swords in reverse. The Four of Pentacles. They're holding back. Some of them, they're like, watching you. Okay? Staring at you. Nandun yung glance. Nandun yung, sabihin nating, pagsulyap-sulyap. Makikita mo yun sa kanya. Okay? And the Magician, yeah, they want to communicate. They want you. They really want you. Pero, ang isang hadlang dito is, maybe their ego. Their pride. Yeah. Baka mamaya, i-reject mo. Hindi sila sanay sa rejection. I think. Hindi sila sanay. Yeah, the Five of Pentacles in reverse. The Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, takot to sa rejection. So, andoon yung nag-crave. Okay? Yung energy ng person, yeah, sabihin natin wala siyang action na gagawin, wala siyang paparamdam sa'yo, pero the frequency. Okay? Basta natin yung frequency na this person really likes you. They're like craving, being needy sa'yo this coming week, kung sino man ite. Okay? So, kuha pa tayo ng isa pang energy kung ano bang meron sa kanya para malaman mo na siya to. Three of Wands. Some of them, pwedeng nasa malayo or pwedeng you have to travel para, so sabihin natin may distansya. Okay, there could be a distance. Like in general. Yeah, the King of Pentacles in reverse. Self-centered. Andun yung energy na medyo parang loner or may pagkamayabang or isang energy ang nakikita ko dito. Yeah, may pagkamayabang siya. Okay, yun yung energy, may pagkamayabang. Hindi ko lang ma-presko. Parang ganyan. Okay? May ganong energy. So, napaka-specific nung nakita ko dito. Ito yung taong hindi nagpapatalo. May mga ganon. Like, sabihin nating, ako yung the best. So, that's why. Takot sila sa rejection. Takot silang mag-failed, I think. Okay? So, there. I don't know kung naka-resonate ka. Pero, yeah. Next. Okay. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sag. So, let's see your person's emotion this coming week for you. Fire signs. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sag. So, who is this person? Who are they? The Six of Cups in reverse. Your past. Your past person. The Six of Cups in reverse. And the Ace of Swords. So, kinat off mo to, I think. Some of you, yeah, death. This is a past person's energy. Fire signs. May chance na itong taong to is bumabalik, no? Some of you, nakikipag-communicate tong taong to, nag-chat or nag-reach out. Okay? Yeah, the Ten of Pentacles. Some of you, pwedeng meron kayong legal background ng taong to. I don't know, kung married kayo, okay? May something like in general, like merong, sabihin nating legal na nangyari sa inyo ng taong to. Legal. Okay? So, in general, may chance na pwedeng may nag-stop. May nag-stop sa inyo. Yeah, this is a past person. So, let's see ano bang situation. Anong sitwasyon? The Six of Wands in reversed. The Empress. They want to control the situation. I think, yeah, the Five of Wands. There's drama. It's like, nabo-brought up yung kung ano mang issue meron. Or gusto nilang ibalik kung ano ba yung mga dapat may address or masolusyonan. Or sabihin nating ang pinututunguhan lang naman is blaming pang-blame. Ikaw kasi ganito, parang both of you blaming each other. Okay, the Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Paninisi kung bakit hindi nagkaroon ng okay na connection or bakit nangyari tong connection or kung ano man, like the ending, bakit nangyari yan. It's like may sisihan. Okay, so ano bang emotion niya for you right now? Some of you, meron kayong communication, ha? Okay, what is your emotion for you? The Three of Pentacles in reverse. Na hindi ka raw maintindihan, hindi raw kayo magkaintindihan, hindi kayo mag-catch up, like, hindi kayo mag-connect. Feeling niya hindi mafi-fix or hindi mabibuild yung mga dapat mabuild. There's no cooperation. Feeling niya hindi ka na makausap ng ayos or yeah. The Five of Wands in reverse. The Emperor in reverse. So yeah, this is like mag-asawa, no? Pair. Pero hindi kayo nagkakaintindihan kasi parang meron kayong sariling mga pinaghuhugutan. Ano? Okay, so the Magician, the Three of Cups. Two of Cups is here. So, I don't know if there's this energy of third party na na-involve. Kaya parang ayoko na or yeah, diba? Typical na third party sitwasyon o hindi pagkakaintindihan. The Three of Pentacles. Parang okay, kung hindi tayo magkakaintindihan, bakit pa ako mag-effort, bakit pa ako magbibigay ng kung anumang action dito. Kung hindi rin naman tayo magkaintindihan, bahala ka. Ganon yung emosyon niya for you. This is specific, not for all. So, better luck next week. Oo, yung iba. No? Sisihan to sisihan. Sinisisi ka niya, sinisisi mo siya. The Nine of Cups. Judgment in reverse. The Three of Wands. So, si Nine of Cups, this is healing energy. Kailangan ma-heal or kailangan may ma-fix dito or kailangan na ng parang kapatawaran. This is peace of mind. Having peace of mind ang kailangan sa situation. So, maybe, gusto nyo ng peace of mind. Siya gusto niya, ikaw gusto mo. So, paano mangyayari? Kung hindi kayo nagkakaintindihan. Diba? So, yeah. Drama is present. Conflict. Oo. So, there. So, walang mangyayari kung kayo ay nag-uusap din lang naman ngayon. Pero, wala akong nakikitang patutunguhan Parang balik-balik lang. Okay. So, next. Water signs. Okay, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Your person's emotion for you. Your person's emotion this coming week for you. Who is this? Oops. Who is this water signs? Who are they? The King of Pentacles in reversed. Could be a Capricorn. May chance na pwede ito is a boss or a leader. This person is a self-centered person, I think. Some of them. Hindi sa lahat. Okay. The King of Pentacles in reverse and the Page of Pentacles. This person, manghilig nitong mag-utos. Yeah, mahilig siyang mag-utos. Ayun na, sabihin nating napaka-specific nun. Okay, hindi yun para sa lahat. May pagka, sabihin natin gusto niya siya lang yung masusunod. Yeah. There's immaturity. Hindi ka papakinggan ng taong to. Hindi ka niya para pakinggan. Ang naririnig lang niya is boses niya. Parang ganon, na the devil. Could be Capricorn. Okay, the World. So, may nangyaring ending. The Lovers is here in reversed. So, what's the situation right now? Ano pang kailangan mo malaman sa sitwasyon? May pagkamakasarili tong tao. Okay? So, anong situation? Kailangan mong malaman. Anong meron sa sitwasyon? The Ace of Cups. Some of you, pwedeng meron ng new connection dito. Yes. The Ace of Cups. The Judgment. The Nine of Pentacles. The Eight of Pentacles. So, I think, itong taong to, sabihin nating matalino. Okay? They see you actually. Yeah, the Judgment. They see you. Or maybe iniisip ng taong to na kailangan ka na lang din yung talikuran. Alam niya or feeling niya na meron ka ng kakonek. Okay? Some of them, they're just focusing on their career, on their growth, and no time for this. Yeah, no time for this. You know. Seven of Pentacles in reverse, the Four of Swords. Magkakasakit, may stress lang siya eh. It's like, okay, iintindihin ko lang yung trabaho ko, sarili ko, pera ko, growth ko, kaysa dito. Eh, hindi ko na rin naman nakikita eh. Ano bang meron? Yeah, there's, separation here. Okay? Kung makikita nyo yung Judgment, parang feeling niya, tingin niya, sa'yo, meron ng iba. Okay? Meron ng iba. Ayun, ang tingin niya. Tinatalikuran ka nitong taong to. Some of you, tinalikuran ka niya para mas magkaroon ng, sabihin nating panibago pagdating sa sitwasyon mo or sa sitwasyon niya. Parang ganyan. Yeah, the Sun. So, it's like, okay, hayaan ko na lang to. Hindi na ako para gumawa ng ingay, gumawa ng aksyon, gumawa ng kung anumang makakapagpagulo. Okay, like that. So, let's see. What is their emotion? What is their emotion right now? So, pwedeng iniisip lang niya na meron kang iba. Or sabihin nating, hinahayaan na lang niya na maging okay ka. Parang ganyan. Makapagsimula ka. Parang ganyan. So, let's see what is their emotion for you this coming week. Knight of Wands. This is moving forward. The Eight of Wands. The Ace of Pentacles in reverse. So, it's like surrendering. Okay, surrendering. So, the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. So, it's like parang tinatanggap na lang din ng taong to kung ito ba ay a missed opportunity. Okay? Yeah. Some of them, they want to communicate. Sa totoo lang. Pero, this is just a waste of time. Wala nang patutunguhan to. So, better na i-drop na lang to. Or i-surrender. Parang ganyan. Okay? Yeah, the Hierophant. This is commitment. Sabihin nating being responsible pagdating sa sarili or pagdating sa sitwasyon. Okay? This is, energy of being mature. Some of them. Okay? Kasi, ang nakikita ko sa una pa lang sarili na lang niya businessman, a businesswoman, pwede. Okay? Yeah, the 5 of Cups. Yeah, there's regrets. Some of them, they're still moving on. They're still moving on, pero hindi na para ilaban to. Yeah, the 6 of Swords. Marami na siyang plano, marami na siyang balak sa buhay, kung ano man, in general. So, it's like, hindi ko na para aksayin yung oras ko. Parang ganon. Okay, so next. Earth signs. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Let's see your person's emotion this coming week for you. Ano bang meron? So, who is this person? Earth signs. Who is this person? Earth signs. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Earth signs, who is this? The 6 of Pentacles in reverse. Some of them may pagkamadamot or sa yeah, hindi yan para sa lahat, ha? Okay, so I think may nangyaring one-sided connection sa inyo or para siyang unfair. Okay, the 6 of Pentacles in reverse. Some of you may utang siya sa'yo. Okay, Page of Cups in reverse. Wag po kukunin lahat kung alam nyo hindi naman lahat ng sinasabi ko is hindi para sa inyo or hindi nakaka-resonate. Okay, some of them, they're younger. The Page of Cups in reverse. Emotion. Okay, emotionally, sabihin natin hindi nagkaroon ng fairness. What's with this? Ano tong Page of Cups in reverse? The High Priestess in reverse. Ace of Swords. I think this person needs you a lot. They need you. Kailangan ka niya kaysa sa kailangan mo siya. Parang ganun. Malaki ang pangangailangan nito sa your Earth signs. Yeah, nakakapag-provide ka ng happiness, I think, sa taong to. Or healing energy. Could be younger. Water sign. Okay. Let's see what's the situation. Anong meron or anong kailangan mong malaman sa sitwasyon? Anong kailangan mong malaman sa sitwasyon? Okay. The 4 of Swords in reverse. The King of Wands. Meron ditong parang ano, nakikinig lamang. Oo. Parang may nakikinig lamang at merong nangongontrol. Parang may ganyan. Anyway, parang isa lang dito ang nagaod. Or isa lang dito, yeah, this is one-sided. Hindi mo raw kailangang i-provide or i-manage ang lahat. Kailangan mo ring daw magpahinga. Parang may ganon. Okay? The King of Cups is here in reverse. Mamaya, nagagamit lang pala yung emosyon mo. Kaya ikaw is nagpo-provide na nagpo-provide. Yeah. Ano bang tingin niya sa'yo? Let's see. The 7 of Pentacles in reverse. The Queen of Swords. Alam ng taong to na anytime kaya mo siyang i-cut off. Alam ng taong to na hindi ka sabihin nating into playtime. Okay? Yeah, you look, ito yon, Emperor. This is the Emperor. The Emperor, the Empress. Tingin niya sa'yo, matapang ka. So I think, no, some of you, there could be age difference here. Age gap, no. may chance na parang naipoprovide mo na naipoprovide kung anong kailangan niya. Happiness, healing, could be. May takot sa'yo tong taong to, sa totoo lang. Alam niya na kaya mo siyang i-cut off anytime you want. Andyan yung energy na parang ikaw lang yung kaya, ikaw lang yung nasasandalan eh, parang ganyan. Ikaw yung nakikita niyang strong dito and sila yung weak. So there's codependency here. Kaya tula yung card ng codependency. Ng codependent. Okay? So let's see what is their emotion. What is their emotion for you this coming week? Tingin niya sa'yo, napaka-strong mo. Wala kang time sa laro. Parang ganun. They see you as somebody who is so sincere. Let's see. What is their emotion right now? Or this coming week for you, Earth signs. The Three of Cups in reverse. Bakit? Some of them, parang feeling nila option. Or kailangan pa niya na gumawa ng way para mapansin. Why? Why the Three of Cups in reverse? The Devil in reverse. The Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Itong taong to, sabihin nating ayaw na ayaw niya, nagagawa siya ng kung ano mang hindi mo magugustuhan. Hanggat maaari. Parang filter na filter. Hanggat maaari. Okay? Some of them, they're an option. Some of them. Earth signs. Itong taong to, sabihin nating side dick mo, side chick mo. Side dish. Anytime pwede mo siyang i-cut off. It's like kailangan ka niya, pero kailangan ka niyang sundin. Kasi I'm seeing some of you, you're the one managing the situation. And kailangan lang niyang makinig. Like that. Just going with the flow, kung ano man ang gusto mo. What? Okay. The Three of Swords. Whoops. Tit. Energy ng third party. Some of you, this is a third party energy. Option. Kasi parang feeling niya option siya eh. Nung nakita ko dito, 'di ba? Sabi ko kanina, bakit feeling niya option siya? Kaya hangga't maaari, hindi siya gagawa ng hindi mo magugustuhan. Kasi tingin niya sa'yo, ikaw yung upper dito eh. Nasa upper hand. Okay? Eight of Wands, Two of Swords in reverse, the Nine of Swords. Yeah, they're scared. Oh, scared, afraid. Sabihin nating makikigo lang sa'yo to. Some of them, they're young. Sabihin natin wala pa silang sariling desisyon. Parang ganun. Parang nakadepende siya sa'yo. Okay, anyway. Yeah, masyado nang lumalawak. Okay, so tingnan lang naman natin kung ano emotion niya for you. So, let's see. Oo, kung ano bang meron pa. Pero, yeah, sa iba ng mga reading. Okay, so there, ito ang ating reading for you. All signs, again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Love letter. Okay, so yeah, again, thank you. Goodbye.